Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. About a week ago, I did a video with my 24-inch Amaya Raine. Oh, I love that doll. And we had a hidden giveaway in that. And you had to put a code word in the comments. And I gotta tell you, we really laughed at the way some of you put the word maroon into the comments. Well, the winner has been chosen via the little computerized spinning thing. And the winner is KC's Joy. KC, if you will contact me and I can get your address, we'll get these little PJs off to you. They're really cute. I should take them out of here and show. They're really cute. These will fit an 18-inch doll, probably a baby doll, and or a 24-inch. Oh, they have long pants. I thought they were short. Oh, look at this. Well, isn't that cute? There you go. You got a bonus, sleeves and legs. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, KC, and every single person that entered our hidden giveaway. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.